Taking a look at my plans, I can see that the sides of my project, both the left and the right, measure a total length of 47 1/4 inches. To set up a stop block for the miter saw, I'm first going to measure my 47 1/4 inch length, and I'm going to line that up with my saw blade. And on the other end of my board, I'm going to install a stop block with a square end and 2 clamps. I can then move the miter saw head nice and slowly through my material. This will prevent chipping of the veneer. And this process can be repeated for our second side. When finished, I have my left side and my right side. They measure 11 1/4 inches wide by 47 1/4 inches long by 3/4 inches thick.